Good afternoon, welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 19th to July 1st. July 19th to 23rd, we have a trough forecast here over the Aleutians. We have a ridge here that moves into western Canada. We have a trough here in the west, ridge over the east central states, and we have a trough here. The models are good agreement with this, and we go through the days and we come to the 23rd. We don't see much of a change. And we look at the rest of the models, they're good agreement. A frontal boundary extended from the Rockies to the Mississippi Valley will be the focus for periods of locally heavy excessive rain. And then I'm going to look here, let's see, this is the UK Met, and as shown the tendency here of a tropical system or a tropical wave impacting the area, so there'll be a heavy rainfall possible for the Texas coast. And the low-level jet will transport moisture into the plains. We're also going to look at it here. Let me see if I can get the map. Okay, oh, wait a minute. This is okay right here. Alright, we're going to go here. This will be Monday. And then we get to Tuesday and Wednesday. You can see maximum of heavy rain here. Approaching maybe 6-7 inches here across parts of Mexico and Texas. And then we go forward into each day. And you see that it continues. There'll be multiple days. That's the GFS. This is the European. This is the GFS again. So you can see that there'll be a heavy rainfall across much of this area. June 22nd to 26th. A flatter flow is forecast here. This is the GFS, and we'll have above normal heights across much of Canada. We have our trough here. And we have below normal heights across eastern Canada and Greenland. And then we go through each day. You see the pattern kind of flattens more compared to the previous period. And we have near to above normal heights across much of the nation. And then we look at the rest of the models. They're depicting generally the same thing. We have a ridge here, a ridge here. Here's the westerlies. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast, and a forecast anomalies of 4 degrees at least above normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence 45 to 55%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45%. June 27th to July 1st. Excuse me. Forecasting nearly a zone of flow with above normal heights again across much of the nation. And then we go to the end of the period. You can see this is zone of flow. And we look at the rest of the models here. You can see that they're pretty much depicting the same thing. One thing, though, to note is the GFS. Let's see if I can find the map right here. GFS is similar with the zone of flow and above normal heights across much of the nation, but it has a trough here extended from Alaska down to portions of the west. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal, near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation with anomalies of up to 8 degrees. And the highest anomalies will be across this area here, California, into the Four Corners. The temperature will be close to normal, maybe about 2 degrees, 1 to 2 degrees above normal for the remainder of the nation. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast, and the probability of occurrence is 45%. And just to note, the National Weather Service on Thursday issued a Niño watch for fall and winter, raising prospects of a cooler, wetter weather across much of the United States and a significantly milder late hurricane season. We'll see how that pans out. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 19th through July 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.